So this is a head-to-head speed test between Huawei's new P30 Pro flagship and Samsung's Galaxy S10 Plus. Starting with benchmarks, it looks like the P30 Pro scores on the lower side compared to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and that might be because of the software on the P30 Pro, which is pre-release at this stage. We also like to test video render speeds between phones where an identical 4K video is loaded on both phones and slowed down 0.5x, and here both the P30 Pro and the Galaxy S10 Plus finish the render in identical times. But what about real-world speed tests? We'll start with the in-screen fingerprint scanners on both phones where their speeds are near identical. Despite the S10 Plus running an ultrasonic scanner over the P30 Pro's optical one, it's nice to see the S10 Plus keep up. We'll also ensure that both these phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and that they're on their latest software at the time of filming, loaded with identical profiles in out-of-the-box conditions. You might notice we've jumbled up the order of the applications, and that's to simulate real-world usage more accurately. With that in check, both phones are off with their stopwatches. The P30 Pro gets the slight lead in the camera application and also when loading up the video on YouTube. We're seeing the Galaxy S10 Plus about one application behind the P30 Pro, but Huawei's flagship is stretching that lead to 2 applications, with the only time the S10 Plus catching up being when loading games. The P30 Pro also takes a bigger lead when loading Asphalt 9. It seems as though the P30 Pro is able to load up games much faster than the S10 Plus and is now effectively 3 applications ahead as it goes in to load the last of the applications for this round, PUBG, and unsurprisingly it's the first to finish the round in 1 minute and 42 seconds. With the second round serving for memory management, the P30 Pro with its 8GB of RAM does not struggle. It's keeping all the previous applications in memory, and somewhere between the second round of the P30 Pro, the S10 Plus finishes its first round in 1 minute and 57 seconds. The S10 Plus 2 with its 8GB of RAM keeps all applications in the second round in memory, but because the P30 Pro's head start, it finishes the entire test first in 2 minutes and 19 seconds. This is very impressive considering the software on board is pre-release and it can only get better from here. And 15 seconds later, the S10 Plus also finishes with a time of 2 minutes and 34 seconds. This shows that both phones had near identical times for their second round, but it is the first round that made the Huawei P30 Pro the winner of this one. Let us know what you think down in the comments below and make sure to subscribe. We've got a lot more videos on the P30 Pro coming up, so look out for those. As always, thanks for watching. This has been Vaibhav and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.